woke up in a haze, glitching skies in a twisted maze, chrome reflections on my face, lost in this electric blaze. All these people I know wanna judge me. How can they when the world is so ugly? There is poverty and governments trust me. Told me I was flatline, I was under the drill. Now Biodyne wanna drug me, stick me with a bill. Now you realize why a star I must be. Feed me lies that you love me. Life ain't always what it seems. It cuts so deep, can it heal? Just unplug me. They are so cold, can they feel? Just unplug me. In the city's ticking crowd, every screen a portal's key to another cyber spree. I saw the devil in their eyes, so I stuck them up and hand them out. Screw their idea that everyone buys, try to kill me en route. Now I am on stage with my middle finger out. None of my fans in the cyberware drought. Too blessed to be stressed, and I am loving me. On 100 G's, trips overseas, thought he could cheat me. Had to pop my main squeeze. They wanna strategize, how can they tempt me? Every weapon form failed against me. Took me into overtime. Now my life they romanticize. Feed me lies that you love me. Life ain't always what it seems. It cuts so deep, can it heal? Just unplug me. They are so cold, can they feel? Just unplug me. Now they wanna show, I guess it's conflict that makes you grow. Secrets that we shouldn't keep, vivid colors pixel deep. We grow so we can shine bright. It's amazing, time to take the limelight.